Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change language in Zangi app. To change language in Zangi app, first you have to make sure that you have downloaded Zangi application in your device using your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Once the app is installed, tap Open the application. Now tap on the settings icon located on your bottom right. Here, you can see your private number, your profile information, and various other options as well. Scroll down and tap on Zangi languages. Here, you can see various language options. Select one of these languages by simply tapping on it. Here, I'll be selecting French. And now you have successfully changed language in Jangi app as you prefer. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.